To access the chatbot, I simply click on My Courses and select any course I want to learn. I'm picking mathematics for grade 10, and let's go with a topic like quadratic equations. Now, once you're inside the course, you'll notice that the right-hand side of the screen features the Homie chatbot. It's currently empty because we haven't interacted with it yet for this topic. Let's change that. Navigating through the textbook is super simple. Just click on the right arrow to move through the pages. I'm going to flip to a page that has some example problems. Once I'm there, I can zoom in for better readability by clicking the plus icon. The platform also has a built-in snipping tool. This is key. Clicking on it activates snipping mode, and now I can select any part of the PDF I want help with. Let's say I'm stuck on example 4. I'll just snip that section. Once snipped, I'm presented with a few preset prompts. I'll select the one that says solve this step by step and send it to the AI. Immediately, Homie starts responding with a detailed step-by-step explanation, exactly what I asked for. And it doesn't stop there. It even offers related questions I can ask next, like, how do I check if the roots are correct? Or what is the discriminant in this equation? What's really useful is that I can save this interaction. Just click Add to Notes, and it gets stored in the Notes section for future reference. This is super handy during exam time because I can go back, review everything I saved, or even export it to print if needed.
Try Homie for free at www.MeraTutor.ai/Homie. We are offering free trials to everyone, and you don't need a credit card to sign up for it. Thank you so much.